Hi, my name is Braj Patel, and here I'm going to show you my lab 2, which is data warehousing with SQL. I have used the Jupyter Lab to create this lab. First of all, I put the SQL startup command to connect the SQL with the Jupyter Lab. Then I put a command to create a database here. So this command will create a database called car and the table called car, and this table has 10 columns and 10 rows, which is ID, make, model, trim, year, engine, color, condition, key, kilometer, and price of the all cars over there. Then the second command is insert a command which is going to insert a one new row at the end of the table. The third one is a delete. So this is going to delete a row which has a model is equal to RAM. So the ninth one had a model called RAM, so that's why it's got deleted. This command is going to add a new column at the end. So here you can see we have a review column at the end, which we didn't have in before. So this added this new column with no data in it. This is the update column, which is going to put 9 where the ID is equal to 11. So here you can see the ID is equal to 9 where it used to be 11 before. And this is the another example of update, which is going to set review is equal to 9. So here review is equal to 9 where the condition is good. So whatever car has a good condition, it will gonna put a 9 review there. Select from table. So here are some commands to select from the cell. First of all, it is going to select any model which is starting from CA, so the Camaro. Then second is it's going to select any trim which is ending with a V, so it says UV there. Then SQL, so select year from the car. So this is going to select the whole column which is called year. Then here it's going to select the three column called make, model, and year. This command is going to drop the table. So here, let's move on to charts. I'll show you this. So this is, first of all, we need to import the library. So this library is for to create the charts in Jupyter Lab. So that's why we need to import this library first. After importing library, we need to create a new table because we dropped the table before. So I created the new table called car same, and here is the table you can see. Then here it is. So this is our first chart. This chart is showing us all the models with the price. So this is the first mod in a descending order. So first of all, the first one is Audi Q2, which has the highest price in our inventory in our table. So this has a 69,000, so that's why it's showing there. Accord it is at the last because it's showing it has a least price, and this is the descending order, and so that's why it's showing it. So that's the last one, as every uh, model is showing their every car is showing their price over there. Then this is the second one. The second one shows all the make with the count of model that make has. So if Audi has four cars in our inventory, it's the biggest one. This is a pie chart, so this is the biggest pie up there. Then Honda, if the Honda has three cars, so this is less one than Audi, so that's why it's a little smaller. We have only four makes in our inventory or table, and that's why it's showing four different makes, and that has a count of cars. So if the Chevrolet has two, Dodge has two, Honda three, and Audi four. And this is the last one, which is bar chart. This I have changed the color by putting this command over there, and this command shows the table which is for a kilometer. It's showing a model with the kilometer in ascending order. So the Audi Q2 has a least kilometers on it, as you can see in our table. So Audi Q2 has only 1200 kilometer on it, so and it's going upwards to the Accord, which has the highest kilometer in our table. Honda Accord, which is the highest one there. So it's showing by that. And yes, that was it. Thank you.